Peace be with you.
And also with you.
So good to have you here in person, here online, up and down the East Coast. But here's the situation. The norms of society have collapsed. The structures that we have built to keep society caring and safe are crumbling. Cruelty surrounds us. People have been taken away and deported to other countries. Those in power have all the wealth, and the poor are scrambling for survival. We don't have the means to rebuild our world to the way it is meant to be. Too much is already unraveled. We are crushed. We can't do it. There is no hope. What I'm describing to you is the situation that the prophet Haggai faced long, long ago. The destruction of society was so total that the prophet Haggai and the people now even measured time according to foreign calendars and no longer according to their own calendar. It was according to a foreign emperor. The word of the Lord God comes to Haggai the 21st of Tishri, which is a foreign month. Today it corresponds, we know exactly, to the 17th of October, 520 BCE. Haggai and all the people of God are deeply traumatized by the many waves of deportation that happened just less than 80 years before that. People taken off, thousands, tens of thousands, deported, ripped out of their homes, taken to a foreign land, and they're living in exile as servants and slaves. But now, tides have changed. One empire crushed another one, and now Babylon has been conquered, and the people have been freed. They've come back, and they've been very excited. They've been talking about coming back for a long time, and they're coming back to their homes. They're coming back to their city, Jerusalem. They're coming back to the glorious temple that they had left behind 60, 70, 80 years before. And when they finally return home, they cannot stop crying. They're crying and crying. Their homes are rubble. The city walls are rubble. The temple lies in rubble. How can they possibly rebuild from the rubble? How can they possibly do the work of rebuilding society on their own? We'll never be like the good old days. It was always better in the past. Nothing will be as good as it was before, ever again. We'll never once again be that strong and vibrant community, loving God, producing God's fruits of justice and compassion and love for our community and for our neighbors in need. That'll never happen again. Today, you could say we're facing some rubble also. We're facing the reality of society and a government system that's cutting off SNAP. SNAP benefits, supplemental nutritional